Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to connect Mi Band 8 full guide. Open the MyFitness app, enable Bluetooth, sign in or create an account, and tap Add Device to start pairing. Follow on-screen prompts to confirm the band's ID and accept permissions for notifications, location, and activity tracking. Allow a few minutes for firmware updates and sync, and test basic features like steps and heart rate to confirm a successful connection. Start by opening the app and selecting Add Device, then choose Band from the list to begin pairing. When the band vibrates and shows a code, match it to the app and tap Confirm to pair. If prompted, allow the app to access notifications and location so calls and alerts appear on the band, and allow background app refresh to keep data syncing while the app is closed. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading anywhere and fits nicely on a bedside table while your band tracks sleep. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, restart both your phone and the band, then try again after a short wait to clear temporary glitches. Remove any previous Bluetooth pairings or unused devices that might interfere, and ensure the MyFitness app and band firmware are updated to the latest versions for best compatibility. If problems persist, try pairing with another phone to isolate the issue before contacting support for a replacement or deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.